It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, remote engine start, driver memory seats, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.